Guys, today I've got something pretty cool to show you. They are smart wireless HDMI cables, and in order to demo these to you, I'm going to be using this 16-inch portable monitor. Now, spoiler alert, this stuff is very cool and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, we are in a world of wireless connectivity, and actually plugging stuff in is a bit of a pain. For the best part, we've managed to eradicate much of our wired lives. We have mobile phones, wireless networking, even wireless power sharing and charging. Also, in my day-to-day, I use portable projectors and portable monitors, so cables are definitely a pain. So today, guys, I've got something to show you that's going to set you free from your wired computer displays or projectors or even TVs. These are the H1 and C1 wireless HDMI dongles and cables, and this is the SFT 16-inch portable touch control monitor from MINIX. Now guys, just before we get into it, MINIX sent me these wireless cables and monitor to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get all of this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, let's start off with a monitor. First thing out of the box is a protective case to carry it in. Now that's a nice touch. Next up, we have different plug tops for different countries for the included power brick. Point to note that this portable monitor is powered by USB-C, so pretty much any power source, including a computer or power bank, can be used, and that's pretty nice. Now, lifting up the top section of the packaging, we have some instructions. Then we have that 33-watt power brick, which not only has a USB-C port, but it also has a USB-A port, so that's kind of neat. We also have a bunch of cables, including USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, and HDMI. Then guys, we get to the main event, which is the monitor itself. Now, the first thing I have to say about this is it's nice. Very thin, super glossy, and very lightweight. After all, it is meant to be portable, right? So there you are. Now, taking a look on the side, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We've got two Type-C ports for power and device connectivity, as well as a conventional HDMI port. On the other side, we have the volume controls, a power button, and a USB 3 port. Now, on the back, we've got a nice little kickstand with rubber feet on it. So you know what? Yeah, this monitor can be used standalone without the need for any mounting. So guys, spec-wise, this monitor is 100% sRGB. It has 300 nits of brightness. It supports touch and multi-touch, so it can kind of act as a mouse, so to speak. And its IPS display panel is full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 at a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, as well as being flicker free with low blue light emission. Also, you have full on-screen controls for your picture adjustments. You get built-in speakers, and like I said, you know what? It's super light at just 750 grams, so pretty portable indeed. Now, let's unbox the H1 and the C1 wireless cables, as this is really where the magic is. Starting with the H1 cable. This is an HDMI wireless dongle. So in the box you get some instructions, you get a carry pouch, which is a nice touch. You get a reset tool, which is like a SIM card ejection tool, and the cables themselves. So spec-wise, these cables allow you to connect from the HDMI output of your computer wirelessly to either a monitor or a projector, and we'll kind of see how that works shortly. They also deliver UHD 1080p video at 60 Hz over a distance of around 50 meters. They're pretty much peer-to-peer and require no logging into any Wi-Fi routers. So you know what, if you're taking these somewhere to work, You don't need to have any private Wi-Fi access. Now guys, let's unbox the C1 wireless dongle. Well, just like the H1, you get some instructions. You get the same carry pouch, you get the same reset key and cables, apart from this time the HDMI cable is the same, but at the other end, or rather the other cable, is this little USB-C dongle. So being USB-C, it can be used with more devices, for example, a computer with a Type-C port or a smartphone or tablet. So you know what? Really versatile. The one thing you need to note here is that your USB-C device that you're plugging the C1 dongle into needs to support DP-ALT. I found that quite a few Android tablets that I've reviewed recently did not support that mode, and hence it didn't work with this C1. But all the other features are exactly the same as the H1. Now guys, we've seen what's in the box. Let's see the devices in action. First up, I've got the H1 set up connected from my computer to a portable projector, watching a movie. You can see here that it's absolutely fine. There's no lag, everything is smooth. You know what, I actually thought it was going to be laggy and jumpy, because actually connecting the computer to the projector wirelessly, like together natively, it's pretty laggy. But you know what, with the adapter, no lag whatsoever. Everything was smooth. I then connected my games console to the H1, and again, the gameplay using the same projector yielded the same smooth results. Now, shifting to the C1, and I have this connected to my iPhone 15 Pro, and you can see this movie playing this time on the MINIX SF16, or it's the SFT because this is the touch, 16-inch portable monitor. And I can tell you, this is sharp, clear and smooth. I haven't played with any of the settings on this monitor, and you know what, I reckon if I did, I'd probably get an even better picture. But you know what, here the picture is great. On this side, I'm playing an action game from my iPad Pro using the C1 and the SFT16, and again, everything looks amazing. These are really the pinnacle of portability and wireless free. You know what, you have to experience it live to actually appreciate it. But you know, even like I said, connecting from my computer or phone directly to the projector, it wasn't as good as this. These are absolutely pain-free and great quality. So there you have it guys. These wireless HDMI cable setups and this amazing portable monitor is definitely a great setup for either on the go or static. Everything works out of the box and you don't need any setup at all, and you can be enjoying some content or gaming or be super productive in minutes. Now, pricing for the H1 setup is about £71. The C1 setup is around £70, and the SFT 16-inch portable monitor is £254, or you know what, if you want the non-touch version, it's £204, all at the time of this video going live. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description, and guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MINIX for sending me this really useful tech for me to review. Definitely a keeper. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.